How do notifications work in Bordio? First of all, the notifications can be configured at two different levels, at the project level or at the workspace level. Let's start with workspace level. You can go to organization settings, and here you have notifications tab, and here you can set up the default notifications for your entire workspace. Then if you go to a specific project, in this case I have email notifications project, and again you go to settings and to notifications, then here you see the same table, except there is this option inherit notification settings from workspace level. By default it is activated. When it's enabled, all these settings, they are synced from the workspace level, so you cannot change anything here because all of these settings are taken from the workspace level notifications. Okay, but if you want to change the notification settings for this specific project, make them different, you can disable this inheritance, and now we will set up these notifications for this specific project, which is email notifications. Okay, so let's explore first this first section, task notifications. Here in the first column you see triggers. So whenever a new task is created, whenever task is deleted, whenever task is completed, whenever task is reassigned, task is updated, and new comment. So if you open this point, then you will see inside several roles. So what does it mean? When new task is created, we want to send notification to the task assignee, and we want to send the notifications, like several types of notifications. We want to send them in-app notification, we want to send them mobile push notification if they have the mobile app on their phone. We want to send them browser alerts, and this is very important, that browser alerts, they will come only if they activated browser alerts in their profile settings. You can check it here, like you can go to your profile settings, here you can go to preferences, and here is this section browser notifications. So if your teammates, if they want to receive browser notifications, they should go here and activate these browser notifications first. And if they have problems, sometimes it happens, they can watch this tutorial video and like understand how to set them up properly. All right, let's get back to the to this project notification settings. So again, when the task is created, we want to send task assignee all this mobile push, browser alerts, and as well as email. So we want to send, like whenever we assign a task, we want to, the task assignee gets the email notification. Okay, and let's now see how it works. So the we will go to the tasks, and we will create here a new task, and we will assign it to Anastasia. Anastasia is our project member here. We will set the due date, let's say tomorrow, and the estimate is 1 hour, and you can select type, let's say operational, and let's say this will be make a report for notification notification users or usage. And we save this task. So what just happened? We created a task for Anastasia Holmes, and because we have this notification over email as well for all new tasks, then this is the email she receives in her inbox. So it comes from Bordio. It says that new task and make report for notification usage, and here is this task, this notification about this task. So she can see here pretty much everything: who assigned a task to her, where this task was created in email notifications project, and this status, type, due date, like everything what we set up. She can see it here, and there is a button view task. If she clicks this button, she will get straight to the interface of Bordio, and she will be able to view this task like that. So pretty helpful. Now let's get back to settings and see other notifications and other cases. So by default, we only activate email for new tasks and for assignee. We don't send, however, email notifications whenever task is created to task reporter, because later you will be able to select or change task reporter when you create a new task. So for example, I'm Jacob, and I'm creating a new task. I'm creating it for Anastasia, but I want reporter to be different, not me. Let's say John will be reporter. Okay, so in this case, like Jacob is task creator, Anastasia is task assignee, and John is task reporter. So in this case, we don't want to send this. We don't want to send John as a task reporter. We don't want to send him emails or browser alerts. He will only receive push notification. Okay, so this is about creating tasks. Now let's see task deletion. So when the task deleted, who gets the notifications? First of all, task assignee gets mobile push plus browser alerts. Task reporter gets mobile push plus browser alerts, and other followers, they only receive in-app notifications. Who are other followers? Let's get to the to our task, and here, okay, first of all, we need to have more people in this project. Currently, we only have 2 people. Now I will add a couple more people. So currently we have 3 people. I just added one more user here, and let's get to this. Let's get inside this task, and here you can see that currently there are 2 followers inside the task: Jacob, because I am reporter and creator of the task, and Anastasia, because she is responsible. So she's assignee. So now, if we let's say we wanna also involve Alex to help with this task, you can write here, "Hi Alex, I need your help with this task." So we can write it here, and now take a look. The Alex became a follower, so he follows only comments, but we can also make him follow all updates. So now we have, in this task, we have 3 followers. Alex, he's not assignee and he's not a reporter, he's just follower, okay? And he follow all updates. So in this case, Jacob, I will be the reporter, Anastasia is assignee, and Alex is other follower, okay? And if we go back to settings and notifications, then again, task deleted. So if somebody deletes a task, then task assignee Anastasia, she will get mobile push and browser alert. I am Jacob as a task reporter, I will get mobile push and browser alerts, but Alex as other follower, he's not assignee and he's not a reporter, he will get only in-app notification, okay? He will not get any push, mobile push or browser alert. He is just just a regular notification here. Like when we are talking about in-app notifications, they are here at this corner, okay? So you can set it up the way you want. If you want to send emails, that's fine. But please be careful, because I guess you know that people don't like getting too many emails. That's why we encourage you to be very careful with sending emails and send only like very important information, for example, about new task. And also, if you, for example, if this option is activated in your workspace and you want to disable it, that's fine. Go to workspace settings and disable the email notifications for the entire workspace. In this case, your employees will not get notifications whenever the task is created. And one more important thing about these notifications is, let's say I'm task reporter, okay, and based on this configuration, I receive mobile push notification and browser alert then whenever task is deleted, okay. But if I delete this task, if I trigger this action, I don't receive any notification because I just did it, so no need to notify me about it, okay. So again, like let's say if I receive emails as a task reporter whenever the task is deleted, if let's go back here. So I remind you that in this task, make report, I'm reporter. So like based on the configuration, I will receive the email notification as well, okay? But like if I will just delete this task now, I will not receive notification because I just did it. But if somebody else will do it, for example, if Anastasia will delete this task, or if I don't know, Alex will delete this task, in this case I will get notification. Okay, so this is very simple but important principle to understand. The user who performs the action, who does it actually, he doesn't receive any notification. He's ignored because there is no need to notify them. But if it's done by other user, of course, I will receive all these notifications based on the configuration. All right, and so if we go along, then again task completed. When task completed, we can notify, let's say, task reporter. So if, for example, if we activate email notifications for task reporter, in this case, whenever Anastasia will complete the task, me as a task reporter, I will receive the email notification and browser alert and mobile push. Okay. The same thing for example, for task update. Whenever some field, like I don't know, status or due date or type or anything else, if this is updated within the task, we want to notify some people. And again, we can select like if it's like just mobile push or browser alerts or email, so we can configure anything here. And also for new comments, look, here is the also another a little bit different separation. So you can receive like all comments or when you are mentioned. So for example, if you are following a task, remember that task where Alex was a follower. So let's say he can, like if we set up here, let's say we want to also send emails whenever there is a new comment. Okay, so in this case, we will send emails to all followers every time any comment is published, is written. Or if we uncheck this one and enable this checkbox when I'm mentioned, in this case we will only send emails when I'm mentioned. For example, if Alex writes a comment and he mentions me, I will get the email notification about that comment. But if he writes a general comment without mentioning me, there will be no like email notifications because this checkbox is not active. This checkbox is not active. Okay, so everyone will receive the browser alert and mobile push notification. So with events is pretty the same thing. So event invitation and event invitation we send also we send email notification as well. Whenever the event response is received, event is deleted and cancelled, updated, and event reminder, so that event starts in 5 or 10 minutes, depending on what reminder you set. All right, so once again, this can be configured at the project level, in project settings, or you can, if you are the workspace admin, because this is important. Some users might be project admins or project owners. So for example, we can make Anastasia project admin, so she will be able to change this configuration at the project level, but she will not be able to do it at the workspace level because she doesn't have access to that. So only workspace owners and workspace admins can go to this organization settings. You can also get it here, organization settings, and set up this basic or default setup for all projects. And again, if the project inherits, if you enable this checkbox, then this project will inherit these settings from the workspace level, and all those configurations that we just did, they will not be active. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we will be grateful to help you.